Welcome to LilyJade V2. This is our demo that we are setting up for you to be able to show you how to properly be able to execute, load, and be able to get your extension working to where you can monetize off of AdSense and be able to post on Facebook. First thing that you need to set up is having your dashboard availability, your Facebook, and your cross-rider. Now upon doing so, once you're into your dashboard here, take a second here. Like I said, I'm doing a join me stream at the same point in time while in TeamSpeak and a bunch of other stuff all at the same time. It's been fun. A little slow here. Let me get logged in. And part of what we're going to show today is how to correctly build your cross-rider extension, what errors might be there, and then also how to be able to get your Facebook posts and your ads. So our first set right now is we're going to find a Microsoft. I'm going to show you the difference between finding apps and finding different plugins. These things that are here for showing the different plugins and availability of the apps are going to give everybody a standalone walkthrough so that way they understand how to be able to connect an application to spread on Facebook. Once you get into your statistics here, you can go and see your statistics, which we will set up once a user has at least 1,000 installs. That's just to make it so that way each person is able to, actually be monetizing. Our statistics system actually beats up our system quite a bit because it does a lot of data mining in bulk. You'll have to log into your AdSense CPA section right here on the panel. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that you have your JS. This is your include script. This is what you have to add to whatever panel that you're setting up. Once you set up that panel and you are up and running 100% on that panel, you will be able to go in, copy and paste in, and then literally you're copying and pasting 2 different fields in. As you can see, simple instructions, go to cross-rider, create a new application. Once you've done that, then you should be able to go in, type in whatever it is. Do not make it something like Norton antivirus bypass. That kind of stuff is looked at as being fictitious, malicious. Be honest with it. Say what it is. Say what it does. Don't confuse anybody with that. Once you go in, you want to go in and click on your extension, your background, remove everything that's there, as I did. Go in and copy your API section for the extension JS. And I'm also going to show one of the biggest common mistakes. The average person who goes in will actually just click sync to production. They don't save. So I'm going to show you what happens when you don't save. We want to be able to make it so that way each and every single user, as you can see where it says highlighted, there were 2 little errors. The one error says, you need to backspace 2. The other one says you got a unnecessary semicolon. Once you copy and paste out everything that's there, Control V, bam. And here, if we were to just go and click on sync to production, you will see, hey look, yes, reload this page. It did nothing. It reset it back to the beginning. You need to click save. Everybody will go in and the most common mistake is that they always click to production, go right on to the next thing, and they never bother to look and see that, oh wow, their stuff isn't even there. Quickly go up real quick, add in these. And this system shows you where everything's at. Shows you what, issues are there. Once you're done, you've saved it, you can click sync to production. Just a sec, let me fix the 2 little errors there just to show. Boom, no errors. Save, sync to production, sync, click OK. Next step, debug mode. We don't ever use debug mode. It doesn't do anything as far as what we're doing, being able to help out anybody. Does nothing. Switch to production. As you can see, all the code's blacked out. Doesn't do anything. Here's the debug mode. We don't use it. It's nothing that's needed. We automatically log all of our stuff to console, so it won't do anything particular. Installation page. Now it seems like CrossRider's browser setup and layout's a little messed up, but click on Do Not Use the Thank You page, click Save. You can see that you can export to Chrome Store. Your download links. This is where you can download your individual links. And then here's for the installer, Windows installer. You select Chrome, Firefox, you leave the silent installer. Click Save. Now you've technically made your extension. It should work 100%. Now we're going to go in, we're going to look at the Facebook section. Let's remove what's currently there so that way you can see that we're not making something up, that it wasn't already there. We're going to make one right here in front of everybody. You need an app ID. As you can see, we put in Microsoft. These things here don't give an app ID. I'll show you a couple examples. There is no app ID. You see Microsoft. That doesn't do anything for us. Developer, copy link address, put it up, doesn't do anything. Go over and grab one more, Xbox One. Doesn't matter, Visual Studios, all these ones that are here, none of these are apps. There's a certain thing that you must do after you've gone through and you've put in like whatever category you want to be able to make it work in. You have to go up to the app section. None of these are going to highlight ever with the basis of an app. So we'll go and we'll click on the app section. Now you can see that we're under apps. We can go to Microsoft Community real quick here. We'll right click, copy link address, go up to the browser, click paste, and boom, at the end there's an ID. This ID, we paste in. Now we'll go to the title. Let's set this one right here to the tutorial. Video demo. Picture, we'll just grab a LilyJade image. Link, let's use my anonymous activist link. So, boom. anonymousactivist.com. Now the caption. We leave the caption blank. Facebook has a little check system to where if that's filled and it's not the same as the actual link address, they will block it. Now this is where you actually go in, put in your demo for your LilyJade, where you want things to go, how you want things to work. And then we can also put in there, hey, check out the anonymous activist.http anonymousactivist.com/. Done. Save that. Now that we've done that, we can go and look at the AdSense CPA section. We have 9 ads in there. That's not all the ads. There's 19, I believe, with Google. Plus, then you can add in the mobile systems too, which adds in like another 11. Download this real quick. In a sec. I have my AV on high risk, so everything I download gets caught. Alright, and then from there, as you can see, you must accept it. Let me just turn off my AV, make this quick. Sorry, it's a little slow. Like I said, I'm also demoing in the Join Me there for 7 others, so connection speed's a little bit slowed and tired out, but at the same point in time, we do give live demos throughout the week. We show everybody how to be able to do this. It's very simple. It's nothing that's going to take more than 15 minutes of your time to be able to make money. Okay, so now I'm going to go and re-download real quick. We're going to run and execute this. Now with our EXE system, this will not have that kind of pop-up screens, so that'll save a little bit of headaches for a few people that are curious. Now this is going to end up having a pop-up that comes up. With this pop-up, this is just terms of agreement, licensing. Oh wow, we have to close your browser. This is all CrossRider stuff. This has nothing to do with ours. Our EXE does not have any of this stuff that shows, so it kind of is beneficial for you guys to be able to see how things work out. Then we will click close as soon as that's done. Takes a minute. they don't have a quick installer. All done. Now we can go and open up our browser and our extension should be installed. Let's try, I believe, NBC News. Just real quick, let me make sure the extension's reading. We have to go and click on one. Not this one that has a pop-up, so let's close this one real quick. We'll go to an actual page here. Now you're going to be able to see here the ads mods that is right here, the ads choice. That's going to flicker. You're going to see that it gets blocked here in just a second. So, 1, 2, sorry it's a little slow. Flickered, boom, replaced. Not bad, hey? All these ads are now populating. Those are all our ads. So now we're going to go back up. We'll end up checking out Facebook here. Now you're going to want to check your resources. Make sure that the resource bin that's there, you can click under Facebook. You're looking for a thing that says spread. If there's something that says spread, you must right click and delete it. As you can see in our situation, we do not have anything that says right click spread. So it's very easy. Now you can see that it says Facebook just displayed insecure content from LilyJade uncaught error. Yes, that is correct. You see the uncaught type error cannot call index of. That's because we currently have ads blocked on Facebook. So this will not show those ads. Those will not show that, and that error will be there. If you do not want to see the basis, because this is showing for the ad units, if you do not want to see that has displayed insecure content, all you have to do is in your JS change that to HTTPS, and you will see that it will not be there anymore. As you can see, the tutorial video, everything that we set up, anonymous activist, you can click on the page. Once we click on it, boom, automatically goes to anonymous activist. Now, you can do this with CPA offers, you can do this with tons of other things. As you can see, we got like 100,000 and change people that are there. It's kind of nice. Quickly growing little unit there. Now also to be able to check to see if your ads are actually working. Let's go back over to Yahoo as an example. Yahoo's a little iffy. They have some really weird ad sizes. Example A. This is a really weird, unknown ad size. This is a custom one that they have. We won't have one that'll fill that. There's nothing there that will go and work for that. These ones that are here, also, these ones, as you can see how it has weird borders and so forth, these are custom ad sizes. These are done as iframed units. Iframed units we will not replace. It's against Google's terms of service to actually replace iframed units. Now we can block all iframed units, but during that same point in time, it makes everything look smooth, does not affect the user. So let's go back here, we'll click on another link. Now we're going to show you, once again, watch the flash, and you're going to see how this changes. Boom, changed. Ta-da. Now you can see on the ad choice, if you were to right click on it and copy the link address, we're going to verify that this is our actual thing. So let's delete all this other extra garble that Google puts in. Let's go to where we have our pub ID. Boom. We copy that. Let's open another one. We'll go into the dashboard. Now let's validate that the pub ID is the same. We come in, scroll down, pub ID 718 260 893 It's identical. It's wonderful, isn't it? As you can see, identical, beautiful. Means that this ad unit was replaced and was running our ad size. We're only running 19 of the Google ones. So users can be able to load out all 19, be able to make those ad sizes off of everything. Really doesn't matter. If you have any questions, feel free to join our TeamSpeak, which is also available for any of our buyers right there inside the unit. Thank you and have a wonderful day.